Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to blend videos on VN. So on VN, the blending options will appear if you add a photo or video as an overlay. And to do that, I'm going to add the overlay first. So here, click on this icon and I'm going to add a video as the overlay. Okay, I'm going to add this video and the video will appear like this. And before I use the blending option, I'm going to resize the overlay video first. So here you can see I have two videos, the main video and also the overlay video. And how to blend two of them is that you can use the blending options or feature on VN. So you need to find it at the toolbar at the bottom. Just swipe until you find blending. So in blending, you can use this feature if you want to add more than one videos or photos in VN, but you don't want one of the other video to look like as whole. So here there are a few options that you can choose in blending. So if you choose each of the blending option, it will show differently like this. So the lightness, screen, color dodge, overlay, and others blending options. But here I'm going to choose multiply, so it will darken like this, and also the darken, it will darken the video like so. But if you don't want to, you can just click on the opacity, you can lower it so that the overlay video won't cover the main video. So I'm going to, for example, set it on around 30%. Click on a check icon, and here the video will look like this. Okay, I think I'm not putting the overlay video correctly, so I'm going to make it bigger, and here is what the video will look like. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.